Now I'm gonna solve the problem of contains duplicate. We are given an integer array, name called nums. What we're gonna do, we need to find two elements with the same value, and if so, I must return true from my function, otherwise false. To solve this problem, I'm gonna use a algorithm of brute force. I'm gonna put my force pointer on the first element, and the second pointer is for others. So I put my force pointer on this place, and second one is for next elements. So I compare their values, they are not the same. So I go to the next element, they are not the same. You can see the value of them is equal, so I return true. You can see by the help of code. So I take the value of num's length to the new variable of n, and I'm gonna use outer loop for my first pointer. It's gonna be 0 if 0 is lower than n minus 1 I plus plus. You know, uh, the reason for stopping at n minus 1 is that each element is compared with the same elements that come after it. So when you reach the last element, you can see here, there is nothing left to compare. That's why I used n minus 1. For the second pointer, I'm gonna use j equal I plus 1, because I plus 1 is this one. This means it's for other elements. If j is lower than n, j plus plus. Now I'm gonna compare the values, two values, which is nums ith and nums j. If they are equal, I'm gonna return true. If it doesn't work for all conditions, I gotta return false for my function right here. So it worked for all conditions. There is also other way to solve this problem, which is more convenient, which is by sorting. What I need to do is, first of all, I sort the whole array. For example, after sorting it, this array is gonna be like that. You know what? If the question asks you to sort the array, it's usually is going to be in increasing order. If there is any special place that asks you to sort the array in decreasing order, and so it's gonna be in decreasing order. Now we sorted it in increasing order, so I gonna check putting my pointer on this place and compare it with the element that stays on before it. You can see the sum of the value of them is same, so I can return true from my function here. The n is gonna be same like before, length Now we need to sort the array by the help of the function arrays dot sort. We give the nums inside of it, and we can check the elements before the ith. I mean, you can check the elements which stays before the element with the index of I plus plus. I'm gonna check nums ith and nums I mean -1. I can see the nums ith is this one and nums ith -1 is this one. After sorting them, they are gonna be the same value. So I return if the value of them same. If it doesn't work for all conditions, as before, I return false from my function. Let's check with only 3 test cases. So it worked for 3 of them. Now I'm gonna do it for all test cases, which is on LeetCode. So it worked for all conditions. The time complexity of first problem is n square, which is kinda slower one. The second one is n log n, which is little bit faster one. Okay guys, thank you for watching.